Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Introduction to Nursing Research. This topic is taken from Unit 1 in the subject Nursing Research and Statistics for Bsc Nursing students. This video will also be useful for post-basic Bsc Nursing students and students who are studying Msc Nursing. Already we have posted many videos with regard to the subject Nursing Research and Statistics. We have created separate playlists for each subject, that is nursing research as well as statistics, and also combined together also we have a separate playlist. So this is my part 1 video. So this unit is going to be divided into part 1, part 2 and part 3. Before moving on to the topic, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the topic. So when it comes to introduction to nursing research, first we have to know the meaning of nursing research. The word research is composed of two words. What are the two words? In the name itself, research, and search. Means re means once again, a new or a fresh. So what is the meaning of re? The meaning of re is once again, new or fresh. So re means once again, a new or a fresh. Next we will see the meaning of search. What is the meaning of search? Search is to look for something. So what is the meaning of search? Search is to look for something or to examine closely or to look for information. So what is the meaning of search? Search means to look for something or to examine closely or to look for information. Therefore, research means what? Close and careful examination of facts and their relationships to discover new knowledge. So now what is the meaning of research? You are doing a close and careful examination or investigation of facts. What is facts? Means information. And what is the relationship of different facts? For example, the common example, smoking causes lung cancer. So many of the teachers used to say this example in research subject. So what is the relationship between smoking and lung cancer? So that you are finding out by doing various researches. They are telling that smoking is one of the major cause for lung cancer. So the relationship of smoking with the lung cancer has been found out by means of research. In the similar way, many topics can be researched and the relationships or facts can be observed. Next, moving on to need and purpose of nursing research. Need and purpose of research. So first need is to develop, refine and extend the scientific base of knowledge which is required for quality nursing care, nursing education and nursing administration. Suppose if you are going to do research only, then only you can modify the old things and you can update your knowledge and you can update yourself to the new technology, new scientific inventions, everything, and thereby you are going to develop new knowledge in the theory of nursing, as well as you are going to do evidence based practice. Whatever you are doing, it should be supported by a scientific evidence or scientific proof, so that indirectly or directly this is going to improve the quality of nursing education, nursing care and nursing administration. Next is enhance the body of professional knowledge in nursing. Think that if we are going to read the same syllabus which is outdated, that is 1970s 1980s syllabus, which is very old, if we are going to read the same syllabus, there will not be any promotion in the field of nursing. So what you have to do, you have to update yourself. That's why university and INC also they are revising syllabus very frequently. Even this year also they have revised the syllabus and they have came back into the semester system like that and all. So next is provide foundation for evidence based practice. Already I have told, if you are doing something it should be supported by an evidence. So suppose for recently we have corona pandemic, and for that they have identified the vaccination. So they have done various research trials to see whether this vaccine is effective or not. So after doing so many research trials, they have proved that the vaccine has been found to be effective, and then only they have put the vaccine for the whole world population. So next is helps in expansion of knowledge, which is so essential for continued growth of nursing profession. So if your profession has to grow, then definitely without research it cannot take place. So when we are doing research only, it is going to add on new body of knowledge, and also it is going to improve the quality of nursing practice, nursing education and nursing administration, as I have mentioned earlier. So next is refine and eliminate old knowledge so that it helps in elimination of nursing actions that have no effect on achievement of desired client outcomes. See, the olden day practices of nursing has been different, and nowadays we have new advancements in technology, everything. So by doing research we can refine the old nursing knowledge and we can create new knowledge in education as well as nursing practice. Next is develop and refine nursing theories and principles. See, developing new nursing theories and refining old nursing theories according to the current scenario. Solve the problem and answer questions related to nursing practice, nursing education, nursing administration. So in these three areas we will be finding many new problems. So if we are going to do a research on those problems, we are going to definitely find a solution for the problem. So by doing research only we can achieve all these things. So let's see the definition of nursing research. So we have seen a brief introduction about nursing research and its needs and purposes. Now we will see first the definition of research, then followed by nursing research. So what is research? Research is a systemic and scientific process to answer to questions about facts and relationships between facts. It is an activity involved in seeking answer to unanswered questions. So what is research? So it is defined as systematic. What is the meaning of systematic? Systematic means step by step, and it is scientific process. Process means continuous. It is scientific process to answer to questions about facts, the information or the data or the problems and its relationship between facts. So it is an activity involved in seeking answer to the unanswered questions. So there are many unanswered questions. If you want to find out the answer for those unanswered questions, definitely you have to do the research and you have to find answers for those questions. Next is research is defined as systematic method of exploring, describing, explaining, relating or establishing the existence of phenomena, the factors, the cause, the change in the phenomena, that cause change in the phenomena, influence other phenomena. So research is defined as a systematic method of exploring, describing, explaining, relating or establishing the existence of phenomena, the factors that cause changes in the phenomenon, influences other phenomenon. So here you are doing a step by step method for exploring, describing, explaining and relating or establishing the existence of a phenomena, and what are all the factors which are going to influence or affect that particular phenomena. So research is defined as systemic inquiry. Inquiry means investigation. Systemic means step by step. That use disciplined methods to answer questions or solve problems. So whatever methods you are going to use, it is not haphazard. It is going to be systematic and disciplined methods. So the ultimate goal of research, what is the goal of research, is to develop, define, refine and expand the body of knowledge for a particular discipline. Particular discipline means nursing is a discipline, medicine is a discipline, pharmacy is a discipline, sociology is a discipline. That is each subject, okay, is a particular area. Okay, so the ultimate goal of research is what? To develop, refine, define and expand the body of knowledge for a particular discipline. So next we will see what is the definition of nursing research. So nursing research, it is a way to identify new knowledge, improve professional education and practices and use of research effectively. So it is a way to identify new knowledge, improve professional education and practices and use of resources effectively. So here this was taken from International Council of Nurses, that is ICN. So here you are identifying new knowledge and you are improving professional education and practices and uses of researchers effectively or resources effectively. So why you are doing this nursing research? In order to find out new knowledge in nursing profession, you are improving your professional education as well as you are focusing on evidence based practices and how to utilize the various available resources very effectively. So this definition was given by International Council of Nurses. So for India, we are having Indian Nursing Council. Similarly, for the whole world, we are having International Council of Nurses. Like WHO is taking care of health for the whole world. Similarly, International Council of Nurses are taking care of nurses as a worldwide. Next, nursing research is the systematic objective process of analyzing the phenomena of importance to nursing. So it is the systematic objective process of analyzing phenomena of importance which is related to nursing. So the phenomena or the problem is related to nursing. So next, moving on to trees and trees definition, which is a very famous definition. So this is nursing research is a systematic collection and analysis of data to eliminate and describe or explain new facts and relationships. So it is a systematic means step by step collection, and after collection of data you have to analyze the data by using some statistical methods. If you are not going to analyze, you will not be able to find out the research and your research is going to be absolutely waste. So it is a systematic collection and you are going to analyze the data to eliminate. Why you are going to find out the data? So to eliminate and describe, so that you can find out new facts or information and their relationship. So this is with regard to nursing research. So nursing research also is defined as according to American Nurses Association in the year 1981. So nursing research develops knowledge about health and promotion of health over full lifespan, care of person with health problems and disabilities to respond effectively to actual or potential health problems. So nursing research, so it is going to find out knowledge about health and what are all the activities which are going to promote health during his lifespan and how to take care of a person with health problems or any disabilities, and you are going to concentrate more on his actual problems. Actual problem is what health problem is going to have here or nursing problem, and what future what he may get. Okay, so that's why when we are writing nursing diagnosis also we will write risk for so this risk for diagnosis is going to be future health problems or potential for, so that and all future health problems. Okay, potential problems. Next, moving on to problem solving process. So first, in problem solving process, first you have to identify the problem, that is problem identification, problem analysis, generating possible solutions, analyzing the solution, selecting best solution, implementing solutions, evaluation and revision. So first, what you have to do, you have to identify the problem. How you can identify the problem? So in this way you can write in a diagrammatic representation the same steps. Okay, so problem identification, problem analysis, generating problem intuition, analyzing the solution, so generating a problem solution, analyzing the solution, then you have to selecting best solution, implementing that best solution, and evaluation. Okay, so finally it goes with evaluation and revision. So let's see the steps one by one. So first we have to identify the problem. So there is a need to write down the what is the problem. So first, without identification the problem, you cannot find out solution. So first, what problem, what is the real problem, then only you can identify it. So in the first step of thesis, your research dissertation is so it's a statement of the problem is the first step. Next is problem analysis. The next step is to analyze how the problem is going to affect the researcher and his or her current situation and other people involved in this situation. Suppose if you are going to take a problem under study, you have to analyze. See, for example, if you are going to do a study on hypertension, then the researcher has to collect background information. What is the need for the study? You are going to take everything. So this hypertension cases, how many people are affected in the worldwide, countrywide, in the local statewide, like that and all, you have to analyze. So the what is the weightage of the problem, whether it is serious or whether how the study is going to be more effective for the researcher as well as for the community. So next we will see the third step, generating possible solutions. So we have identified the problem and we have analyzed the problem. Then you have to find out possible solutions for finding out answer to the problem. So at this stage, focus must be on identifying and generating all possible solutions for a problem. Next, moving on to analyzing the solution. So in this section, various factors about each of the potential solutions are investigated, wherein all positive and negative aspects of each solution are analyzed. So next, what you have to do, we have to focus on various factors which affect the potential solutions. So I have given so you will be identifying for the same problem, you will be identifying some 4 or 5 solutions. So each solution you have to analyze separately so that you can identify both the positive and negative aspects. If you are going to put that solution into action, what are the pros and what are the cons, that is possible points and negative points. So out of 4 means 4 solutions you cannot put into the same thing. So you have to select the best out of that and you have to put into practice. Selecting the best solution. So an attempt is to made to compare the available solutions and eventually the best solution is selected based on careful judgment, which is supposed to solve the problem swiftly and smoothly. So here it is an attempt made to compare the available solution and eventually the best solution is selected based on careful judgment, which is supposed to solve the problem swiftly and smoothly. So I have told, suppose for a problem you have selected some 6 solutions. Out of the 6 solutions, you have to choose one best solution which is more appropriate to the solving the problem. Next is implementing solution. So this is the final step to solve the problem. So out of the 6 I have told, you have selected the best one. So that has to be put into practice. So implement the thing which you have selected as the best one. Next is evaluation and revision. So here an evaluation is made to judge the effectiveness of the solution in resolving the problem. So this stage helps to redefine the problem and revise the problem solving process in case the initial solutions fails to manage the problem effectively. So next, what you are writing and you are implementing the problem. So what happens after implementing? You have to evaluate. Then only you will know whether that particular solution has solved the problem or not, whether the particular solution is effective or not. So suppose if it is effective, so you can leave it. Suppose if it is not somewhat effective, you have to again refine the solution and you have to again do revision. So an evaluation is made to judge the effectiveness of the solution in solving the problem, resolving the problem. So this stage helps to redefine the problem and revise the problem solving process in case the initial solution fails. Then you can take some other solution. So sometimes you will think that this is the best solution and you will put into active practice, but that may not work out to solve the problem. In such a case, you have to again refine the solution, or you have to revise the solution. Hope this video is clear for you all. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. My previous videos link I have given in description box, suggested end card and icon. So statistics playlist, nursing research playlist, and both nursing research and statistics together playlists have been given in the description box, suggested end card and icons. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting to Science Easy Tech channel.